What's up guys, and welcome to a new video review. As always, in this channel I'm going to cover all the cryptocurrency projects, also the cryptocurrency exchange. And this is not a financial advice, so please do your own research before you are going to invest or put your money in any project we cover in this channel. So without further ado, let's get started and start covering one of the best crypto exchange in the crypto era, called OKEx. This platform or this exchange has a lot of features, such as futures trading, also is the number one in volume and also number one in cryptocurrency exchange in China. And that you will find it in this website called CoinGecko. As you can see here, is one of the best cryptocurrency exchange for futures trading. In this video we are going to cover all the great thing about it, also one of the greatest thing that you can get $10 by following some steps like creating account, required the KYC number 2 verification. After that you need to deposit $100 crypto on the first order in May fiat currency through link in the description section. You will get the $10. But all that you need to sign up using the link in the description section. All you need to do is put your number phone, also you will receive a verification code, after that a password, confirm the password, accept the terms and make an account. The most trusted cryptocurrency exchange, secure wallet technology, also full range of product, worldwide customer base. Also you will find the social media like Telegram chat, also the Twitter group. I advise you to follow them there. For the account, all you need to do when you make an account, go here, click here, and after that click in KYC verification. I have already passed the basic or the level 1. You need to do the level 2, and after that you will get your $10. But first of all, let's go through this platform. As you can see here, this is the platform. You will find here buy or sell order, market, also the trade like spot trading and futures if you have more experience in trading futures. For the spot trading, here we'll find a lot of cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. Also they have their own coin. I advise you to invest on it if you want to get more profit. This is the buy order. Also this is the sell order, is way professional than other cryptocurrency exchange. And also you can leverage trading by making long and short orders using the OKEx platform or exchange. You can use the leverage like minimum, market, stop. In addition, they have other cryptocurrency like Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, XRP. Here you will find your order, open orders, also the order history order. And for the invitation code, as I have covered earlier, you will find it in the description section. This is my link, so if you are looking to get $10, I advise you to follow the steps so you can get it and start using this platform. They have some other features such as a beautiful community for Telegram chat. Also they have a great features is the academy. Here you will find videos and also articles showing how to complete the KYC verification, also how to make cryptocurrency deposit and withdraw in the platform, what is fund transfer, also what is blockchain. This is for the beginner. Also you will find some trading ideas, some industry analytic, also as well as blockchain information. I advise you to go through it. You will find some great articles about it, some extra information about OKEchain. They give you all the information that you need to know. What is the platform, how does it work, and why is better than other cryptocurrency exchange. Also what is a fund transfer, summary about it, how to make it, how to manage funding account. You can get reward by using this method, and also they show you how to complete the KYC verification step by step. It's easy. I have already covered it in the video. I advise you to go through it so you can get more benefit from this exchange. And if you are looking to receive payments or making a deposit, all you need to do is click on asset. After that click in deposit, or you can choose your cryptocurrency exchange you want to make a deposit with, like Litecoin. Click in deposit. They give you an address, send any amount of Litecoin to this wallet and you will receive it in your account and start trading in this platform. The same thing for the withdraw. All you need to do is click on withdraw, send the coin that you want to any wallet easily. And also they have a trading fee, a minimum trading fee, easy to use. I have only the level 1 of trading fee. You will get the stop fee is 0.1%. Also it can be 0.50%. The same thing for futures fee, 0.02%, and that's great. Tracking is 0.05%, and options fee is market 0.02%, and track 0.05%. You will find all the levels here. If you are trading a lot, they will give you a discount. Also, you can be a VIP number 1. The market fee is more or less than the level 1. In addition, they have another options called earn. You can hold like EOS, ADA, for example, let's take ADA, like 1000 ADA, and you will get rewarded by the 0.08 flexible of 3.5% every day. They give you some extra information with interesting rate change, also what is the earning program, how can I withdraw tokens anytime. They give you all the explanation. Also they have a lot of products like the pool, wallet, OKB, it's the coin, OKEx Cloud, OKChain, Sedges, referral program, and also affiliate, as well as free Bitcoin. You can get a free Bitcoin by using this, by following some steps. They cover it here. So I advise, so if you are looking for a free tokens for free Bitcoin, you can follow the you can follow those steps, so you can get free Bitcoin every day. And for the second product is OKB, powering the OK ecosystem. They give you more explanation about it, how does it work, what is the technology, also the team behind it. All the information you will find it in this page. And as always, all the link that we cover in this video, you will find it in the description section. Just a recap. So if you are looking to get $10 in the platform of OKEx, all you need to do is register, make an account using my referral link in the description section. After that, you need to finish the verification step, or the verification KYC verification number 2. And then you will need to wait almost 7 days working day, and the team will accept your registration, and you will get the $10 by depositing $100 in your account and start trading with it. So this is the end of the video. Don't forget to click like, subscribe to the channel, also share the video with a friend if you like it. See you next time in another video review. Peace.